Model 2015 Vivaro 1.6 Cdti Ecoflex long MOT needs turbo body, white, panel van mileage 118222 MOT, the 17th of July 2024 engine 1598 cc 1.690 PSS SE5A transmission 6-speed manual front-wheel drive mechanical summary starts perfect runs perfect turbo needs replacing Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Straightforward, turbo replacement, engine itself is perfect condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £5,775. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.